Membership funnel. How to create a funnel that grows subscribers every month. Your complete guide. Memberships grow best when driven by consistent automated funnels, not random posting or hoping for sign-ups. A great membership funnel does one thing: turns strangers into warm leads into paying monthly subscribers. This guide walks you through the 3 most effective membership funnels, how each works, and exactly how to set them up. Step 1, the 3 best membership funnels for 2026. There are many funnels, but only 3 outperform everything else for memberships. Waitlist funnel, best for new memberships, perfect for new membership relaunches, building excitement and limited enrollment. Your flow, traffic to waitlist page, email sequence builds anticipation, founders launch opens subscribers, they join with urgency. Why it works: creates FOMO, builds demand ahead of launch, makes the offer feel exclusive. So founders launch funnel, high conversion event, great for launching your membership the first time. Your flow, waitlist or lead magnet, live event, webinar, workshop or challenge, discounted founders price. Urgency plus deadline, close cart. Okay. Why it works: people love being early adopters and getting exclusive pricing. Evergreen membership funnels, automated growth. This runs all year long. Your flow, lead magnet to nurture automated webinar or email sequence, offer your membership, optional deadline using Evergreen logic, onboarding. Okay. Why it works: you get sign-ups every week, traffic converts 24/7, the entire process is automated. I love that word, automated, right? Step 2, build your funnel, build your membership waitlist. Step 2, this is the simplest and strongest funnel for new memberships. Create your waitlist page. Your page should include strong headline, what the membership includes, why it's valuable, waitlist form, and join the waitlist call to action. Waitlist email sequence. Once someone joins the waitlist, send email 1, welcome, plus thanks and expectations. Email 2, behind the scenes, share your vision. Email 3, value email, teach something small but impactful. Email 4, early teaser, hint at bonuses plus features. Email 5, launch announcement, get ready, doors open soon. These emails warm up your biggest fans. Step 3, founders launch funnel. A founders launch is powerful because you offer one-time lower price, give early adopters special status, builds initial momentum and gets testimonials faster. Founder launch funnel steps. Live launch event, choose live webinar, challenge, workshop or bootcamp. Live conversion events work extremely well for memberships. Founders price offer. Example, founders members get £19 per month forever. Price increases after launch. This creates massive urgency. Launch email sequence. Your founders launch email should cover announcements, value emails, testimonials, bonuses, deadline reminders, and of course a final call. Launch lasts 5 to 7 days. All right. Step 4, Evergreen membership funnel. Evergreen is the most powerful long-term funnel for memberships. Your automated funnel looks like this: lead magnet, nurture sequence, automated webinar or value sequence, membership, offer, deadline optional, and onboarding automation. Evergreen funnels work because you always have traffic, you always nurturing. Offers appear naturally. and people join when they are ready. Okay, there's no hard sell, it's natural progression. Step 5, build your membership funnel. So you need to decide how you're going to build your funnel in the system that you're using. In Zenler, it's really easy. So Zenler gives you everything you need in one platform. You can create your funnel really easily by going into marketing funnels. You select your lead magnet, you go and edit using the page builder, you set up your automations, you test, and you're ready to go. It's as simple as that. So inside your system, you'll need to build that membership funnel and put that into action. So step 6, membership funnel email templates. So email. Membership announce, subject, it's finally here. Doors to your membership are now open. Here, everything included. Email, social proof, subject, real results from real members. Share 1 to 3 powerful transformations. Email, bonus reminder, subject, bonus, expires tonight. Okay. So you're reinforcing that urgency. Last email, last call, subject, final hours to join at founder's price. So short, strong, and direct. So let's have a look at the membership funnel checklist now. So you need the waitlist, you need the lead magnet funnel, the webinar event, which is optional, of course, launch your email sequence, sales page created, a pricing plan set, automation sequence active, evergreen funnel added, onboarding sequence, and funnel tested. Look, we've done a full guide on this. Just check the link below and you can have it all in written format. You can take that into AI if you want to, distill it down so that it's easy for you to follow. So we have full links in the description plus links to other related articles, because this is something that you need to know. This is something you need to get on top of and understand so that you have a clear structure going forwards, right? It's all about clarity and it's all about the transformation. It's about that value that you offer.